How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are currently here at Cafe and Octane's Lanier Raceway, where we are going to do downforce battles. This is the very first time I've ever taken the Golf to do anything, or taken a car to do anything other than detail the Dragon. I'm here with Ron. Today's his birthday, by the way, so wish that man a happy birthday. But the car, you know, it's ready to go as far as I'm aware. It's got new brakes, the yellow stuff pads with the EBC USR rotors. It's got some new Falcon Azeni tires. They are fresh, just put on last night, and it's been tuned. My biggest worry today is the tune being too aggressive or like making too much torque for the stock clutch. I can't really do wide open throttle outside of like, I want to say third or fourth gear. So I don't think I'll be reaching any of those gears, but you know, we'll see how it does. I think I'll mostly be able to stick in first and second, but yeah. So stick around, you guys. Today's gonna be a lot of fun. Jordan lended me his helmet and head sock so I can use that for today, so I didn't have to rent one. I'm not sure. My goal today isn't to win anything. My goal today is purely to survive. Being my first, I guess, track day. It's more like autocross, competitive autocross. That's my main goal, though, is to just survive. We'll see how she does. I'll catch up with you guys once we get done with the driver's meeting and tech inspection. Pissed, bro. All right, guys, so just did my first run. I was up against Ron. Not too bad for a first run. I actually kept up fairly well. He definitely beat me. He's got a faster car, so it's kind of to be you know, kind of figured that would happen. But and he's also done this multiple times. But super impressed with the car. Definitely scrubs a little. I've got the GoPro going so you guys can watch. It's kind of in a weird angle, so I hope it's not too bad, but I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm about to hit the second run. I don't know who I'm going up against this time, so we'll see what happens. All right, second run, I ended up hitting the barrier like you guys saw. Oh, it did dent my fender just a little bit, but it knocked out my wiper piece right there. I don't know where that is. The bumper was knocked out underneath a little bit, but it all kind of punched back in. I don't really know exactly what happened. I slid through my brakes, or I slid through my tires like when braking, so it just went straight. So oh well, car still seems fine, so I'm gonna keep hitting it. Yeah, a little upsetting, but it's whatever, it happens. I was planning on getting a new bumper anyways at some point, so we'll see what happens with that, but catch you guys in just a moment. Hell yeah.
right, so that was my first time getting back on the track after I sent her a little too far, bud. Felt good. I was in the right lane this time, so first time in the right lane. Felt good. Car feels great. Like I said, the grill is pretty fucked up. The front emblem is cracked in certain places. I'll have to replace that. I plan on getting a different bumper eventually, probably a Golf R bumper, but we'll see what happens there. So right now I'm just kind of chilling. I am a little upset that I managed to fuck that up, but it'll be all right. You know, you live and you learn, you keep going. So my hands are shaky. Yeah.
Too hot or cold?
You got it, you got it. Even so far, dang. This is a Ron's Veloster M versus a R32 GTR. Ooh, GTR's ahead. Dang, that was very close.
Dang, that was close, bro. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for this video. It was a good first track day at Lanier Raceway. Need the sign. Definitely a bummer with the second run causing a big old accident, but it gives me more reason to get a new bumper. Only thing that sucks really is this and the grill, but I'll figure all that out. I'm not too bummed. I ran it a total of like 7 or 8 times, so I got my fill. The car's not built to be a track car. It's supposed to be just a fun, like, street daily. So definitely a little sloppy in the suspension. The suspension in the front especially scrubbed right on this bolt right here. But that'll be all right. So I guess we're gonna go eat. And yeah, good first track day. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one.